How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo 2.0 Footrest Actuator. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, 10mm and 13mm open wrenches, 6mm Allen wrench, wire cutter, and zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Grasping the side of the chair with both hands, gently tip the chair onto its right-hand side. Tilt the foot and calf massager toward the chair seat. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 5 screws that secure the outer plastic cover, then remove the cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 5 screws that secure the inner plastic cover. Tip the cover to the left to expose the actuator. Using a 10mm and a 13mm open wrench, remove the nut and bolt that secure the front of the actuator. Pull the front of the actuator out of the mounting point, then remove the metal and plastic inserts. Using a 6mm Allen wrench on top and a 13mm open wrench on the bottom, remove the nut and bolt that secure the rear of the actuator. Remove the insert from the mounting point. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw that secures the ground wire to the actuator. Using a wire cutter, cut the zip ties that secure the bundled excess actuator cable. Pop the connector junction box cover off from the back. Finally, disconnect the actuator cable connectors. Now, let's replace it. Remove the ground wire screw and cable from the new actuator. Connect the new actuator cable to the red connector from the chair. Place the actuator cables into the junction box notches, then snap the junction box cover into place. Be sure not to pinch the cables when securing the junction box cover. Coil the excess cables, then use 3 new zip ties to secure the bundle. Cut the excess zip ties. Place the ground wire loop onto the ground wire screw, then replace the screw to secure the ground wire to the actuator. Place the rear mounting point into position just enough to hold it in place, then remove the twist tie that secures the rear actuator mounting point insert. Push the mounting point all the way into position, replace the bolt from the top, then replace and hand tighten the nut. Use the 6mm Allen wrench and 13mm open wrench to finish securing the nut. Place the front mounting point into position just enough to hold it in place, then remove the twist tie that secures the front actuator mounting point inserts. Push the mounting point all the way into position, replace the bolt from the bottom, then replace and hand tighten the nut. Use a 10mm and 13mm open wrench to finish securing the nut. Place the inner plastic cover into position, making sure the sides are positioned behind the metal tabs, then replace and partially tighten the 5 screws. Be sure to place the metal plate into position before replacing the second and third screws from the top. Finish tightening the screws. Place the outer plastic cover into position, then replace and partially tighten the 5 screws. Finish tightening the screws. Grasping the side of the chair with both hands, return the chair to the upright position. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.